There's a few ways to make these shadow puppets, but I'm going to start in Canva. You don't need the paid version to do this. I'm just going to go to Elements and search dinosaurs. There are a ton of paid version ones, but you can definitely find a free one. Pick whichever one you like and load it onto your template. You can make the template whatever size you want. We're just going to print it out on regular paper. This is a free version here, and I'm going to size it so that it almost fills up the whole paper. I changed the color here because I was thinking I'd be able to print it out on black paper, and it did not work. So you can print it out whatever color you want. I printed it out, and I'm going to use white carbon tracing paper to trace it onto my black paper. I'm just going to trace the outline of the dinosaur because I'm just doing a silhouette. Then I'm just going to cut it out. Then I have these barbecue skewers that I got at the grocery store, and I'm just hot gluing one onto the back. I'm just securing it with a little bit more hot glue. And that's it, a cute little shadow puppet. The other way to do these is you can cut them out with your Cricut. So I'm doing the same thing in Canva, finding a dinosaur, and this time I'm saving it as an SVG file. You have to save it with a transparent background, which I believe you can only do with the paid version of Canva. Now I'm going to upload that image into my Cricut design space. And then just let the machine do all the cutting. Then I'm just going to glue the sticks onto the back of all the ones that I cut out. I made a bunch of different dinosaurs, and my son is absolutely going to love them. So these are a super cheap and easy gift to make for any kid. And you can do all different kinds of animals and shapes. Hope you guys enjoyed.